I believe that all the youths in Singapore have a lot of skills and talent, and they are all very creative. I would like to gather all these people in one website for them to use it to portray and display all their talent, skills and creativity for the benefit of not only themselves but also it can help other people. We really encourage everybody to set up their business, and it can be a small business or big business. When it comes to starting up a small business, if you ask all the marketing officers, they will first recommend you to have your own website to advertise your company. But not everybody have the skills or the knowledge to build their own website, so they have to get other people to do it for them. If I can gather all the youths who have this knowledge, because I believe nowadays youths are very internet savvy, they know how to build a website, they know how to design banners, they know how to design logos, they know how to make videos, and all these skills they have, they can benefit. If let's say I can gather a lot of youth to use this website to offer their services, it will be a one-stop center for everybody to run their own business. I think this website is a very good idea. Who knows, it can help in increasing the economy of all the families in Singapore who wants to start a small business. If people, especially the youth, use my website to offer their services, it will act as a method for them to practice their entrepreneurial skills. So why not give it a try? I really want to invite you to visit my website. Thank you for watching.